How to use Payable for payment gateway management. In today's rapidly evolving digital economy, efficient payment gateway management has become more crucial for businesses seeking to provide seamless, secure, and quick payment processing to their customers. Payment gateway acts as intermediaries between businesses and financial institutions, facilitating secure transaction, fraud prevention, and compliance with industry standards. Payabl, a leading management gateway provider, offers businesses the tools needed to manage their payments, streamline their operations, and ensure customer satisfaction. This video will delve into how to use Payabl for payment gateway management, focusing on its features, setup process, integration with businesses, and how it can enhance customer experience while maintaining security and compliance standards. Payabl is a payment gateway solution designed to facilitate seamless online transactions. It provides businesses with the infrastructure to process payments securely, allowing customers to make purchases with ease. Payabl supports multi-payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, and bank transfers. Its robust set of features aims to optimize transaction flows, minimize the risk of fraud, and provide valuable analytics that businesses can use to improve customer experience and operational efficiency. As a payment gateway provider, Payabl simplifies the entire process by offering easy integration options, advanced fraud protection mechanisms, detailed reporting, and compliance with the latest regulatory standards. With its ability to manage a variety of payment methods, Payabl stands as a crucial tool for business, large or small, seeking to expand their digital payment capabilities. A good payment gateway management system provides business with features that enhance both the customer experience and operational efficiency. Let's first talk about the secure transaction processing. Security is the cornerstone of any payment gateway. A reliable payment gateway management system ensures that sensitive payment data, such as credit card numbers and personal information, is securely processed. Common security features include encryption. Data encryption ensures that payment information is transformed into a secure, unreadable format during transmission. This helps protect sensitive customer data from potential hackers. Tokenization. This replaces sensitive data with a unique identifier or token. Even if a token data is compromised, it is useless without the corresponding encryption key. SLL/TLS certificate. Payment gateways use Secure Socket Layer or SSL or Transport Layer Security (TLS) protocols to encrypt data sent between the customer's browser and the payment gateway, ensuring secure communication. Next, let's discuss its multiple payment method support. A payment gateway management system should allow businesses to offer multiple payment methods to cater to a wide range of customer preferences. These payment methods may include credit and debit cards, support for major card brands such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, digital wallets, integration with popular digital wallets like PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and others, bank transfers, enabling direct bank payments for customers who prefer not to use credit cards, Buy Now Pay Later or BNPL, integration with Buy Now Pay Later providers such as Klarna and Afterpay, allowing customers to split payments into installments. Moving to its seamless integration with e-commerce platforms. For smooth operation, payment gateways must integrate seamlessly with various e-commerce platforms and shopping carts. Popular integrations options include pre-built plugins. Many payment gateway providers offer plugins or modules that easily integrate with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, and more. API integration. Payment gateway APIs allow businesses to customize the checkout process, integrate their website with the gateway, and build tailored payment flows. Mobile app integrations. As mobile commerce grows, payment gateways must integrate seamlessly with mobile apps to provide customers with a smooth checkout experience using their smartphones. Next, let's talk about its fraud detection and prevention. Fraud, a significant concern for businesses that process payment online. Effective payment gateway management system include robust fraud detection and prevention features to minimize risk. Some key features are 3D secure authentication, a security feature for credit and debit card transactions that requires customers to authenticate their identity with their bank before collecting a payment. Velocity checks monitors transaction frequency and volume from a single IP address or account to detect and prevent unusual or suspicious activity. Address verification system, or AVS, verifies the billing address entered by the customers against the address on file with their bank or card issuer. Real-time transaction monitoring. Continuous monitoring of transactions in real time to identify and flag potentially fraudulent transactions as they occur. Next, subscription and recurring bill management. For business offering subscription-based services or products, a payment gateway should support recurring billing functionality. Key features include automated billing cycles, automatically charges customers on a set schedule, such as weekly, monthly, or annually, for subscription-based services. Flexible payment plans. Ability to offer different subscription plans with varying bill frequencies and enabling business to cater to different customer preferences. Invoice generation and management. Automatic generation of invoices and recipients, making it easier for businesses and customers to track payments. Fail payment handling. Automatic retries and customizable notifications to handle failed payments and ensure continuity of services. Lastly, moving on to its reporting and analytics. A powerful reporting and analytics feature enables businesses to track payment performance, monitor trends, and gain insights into their financial operations. Key reporting features include transaction reports, detailed information on payment status, success rates, chargebacks, refunds, and more, allowing businesses to manage payments effectively. Revenue and sale analytics. Insights into total revenue, average order value, and other key metrics that help businesses evaluate financial performance. Customer reports. Businesses can generate custom reports based on specific criteria, such as transaction type, payment method, or customer location, to make informed decisions. Settlement and payout reports, offering businesses visibility into their payout history and cash flow, helping with financial planning and reconciliation. Payment gateway management systems are not just a necessary component of online business. They are integral to the long-term success and scalability of any digital enterprise. The advanced features outlined earlier offer businesses the opportunity to provide a seamless, reliable, and secure payment experience for their customers, which is critical in today's increasingly competitive market. In fact, businesses that fail to implement a robust payment gateway risk losing out on both customer trust and revenue, as payment-related issues such as security breaches, slow processing times, and poor customer experience can significantly deter potential buyers. By choosing the right payment gateway, businesses can optimize their operational process, ensuring that payment transactions are processed smoothly and efficiently. This streamlining of payment operation not only reduces friction in the customer journey, but also cuts down on administrative overhead for businesses. Automated features like recurring billing, real-time reporting, and chargeback management allow businesses to focus more on growth and customer engagement rather than manual reconciliation, fraud prevention, and troubleshooting.